Hi, I'm Hannah Lawson, and this is my garden in Old Town in Hebden Bridge. And these are our raised beds. Down in Hebden in an overdwelling, and didn't have, just had the tiny little terrace. And when we moved here, we were so lucky to have all the space. So we always knew that we'd start growing things as soon as we got a space to be able to do it. Yeah, I think my wife had some raised beds before, but just quite low ones. But we're getting a bit older as well, so we decided that we'd get some quite high beds so that we didn't have to do the whole bending down. And then we wanted ones that would last, so it just made sense to get, instead of like getting wood ones that would rot down after a bit, getting something that would be a bit more durable. And obviously recycled is really good, that it's using something else to make something that's going to last. And we really like the way it looks, and so much so we've actually now built, we've got a shed that we've now put a platform around, and we've used the same. We've got the recycled plastic for that as well. Instead of using wooden decking, we've got recycled plastic decking. And it's partly for the practicalities of the same thing, that we're not going to have to maintain it. It's going to stay slip free for longer, but it's actually, it's all practical, but actually we really do like the way it looks as well. And there is a great joy in coming out of your house and grabbing salad, just straight out from the raised beds, and just deciding what you're going to eat by what's available out in the garden.